Welcome to Touring Globe. Here are 7 mind-blowing travel hacks you need in the new year. A suitcase clicks shut in a quiet room. A zipper slides slowly. A phone screen glows in the darkness as flight prices rise and fall in real time. Outside the window, distant fireworks fade into the night sky as the new year begins. Footsteps echo through an empty airport corridor. A new year begins. New dreams form quietly in the back of your mind. New destinations call your name. New journeys wait patiently for the brave. But here is the truth most travelers only learn after years of mistakes. Travel is not expensive because destinations are costly. It becomes expensive because most people travel without knowing the secrets. They book at the wrong time. They pack the wrong way. They stay in the wrong places. They rush instead of observe. This year, that changes. This year, you don't travel like everyone else. You travel smarter. You move lighter. You see deeper. Here are 7 mind-blowing travel hacks you need in the new year. Hacks that save money. Hacks that save time. Hacks that remove stress and unlock freedom. Hacks that completely change the way you explore the world. 1. Travel on invisible days. Most travelers book flights on weekends. Friday nights. Saturday mornings. Sunday evenings. That is exactly why flights cost more. Airports fill with crowds. Seats disappear faster. Prices climb quietly. The secret hides in invisible days. Tuesday, Wednesday, and sometimes early Thursday. These are the days most people ignore. Airlines quietly reduce prices midweek when demand drops. Red-eye flights slip through unnoticed. Early morning departures leave half-empty cabins behind. Flying when others don't means quieter terminals. Shorter security lines. Empty middle seats. Lower fares. If your schedule has even a little flexibility, this one decision can save you hundreds. Sometimes, traveling at the right time matters more than traveling to the right place. Timing is everything. 2. Never search flights without this trick. You search once. Then again. And again. Suddenly, the price jumps. Not because seats are gone, but because the system is watching. Airline algorithms track interest. Repeated searches signal demand. Demand raises prices. The solution is simple, but powerful. Always search flights in incognito or private browsing mode. Clear cookies. Switch devices if needed. Compare prices across multiple platforms. Never trust a single site. Set price alerts and walk away. The best travelers don't panic. They observe. They wait. They strike at the perfect moment. Patience saves more money than speed ever will. 3. Pack less and travel further. Overpacking begins with fear. What if I need this? What if the weather changes? What if I don't pack enough? The result is heavy bags. Extra fees. Slower movement. Less freedom. Smart travelers pack for flexibility, not fear. Neutral colors that mix easily. Lightweight layers that adapt to any climate. Clothes that serve more than one purpose. One well-packed carry-on can cross continents. It skips baggage fees. It moves faster through airports. It fits into overhead bins and under bus seats. Packing light gives you speed. It gives you spontaneity. It gives you the freedom to say yes to last-minute plans. Freedom begins when you carry less. 4. Stay where locals stay. Hotels near landmarks promise convenience. But they quietly charge for location, not experience. The real magic lives beyond tourist zones. In residential streets. In quiet neighborhoods. In places where everyday life unfolds. Stay where locals live. Choose guest houses, homestays, and small boutique stays. They cost less. They offer more. You wake up to morning routines, not tour buses. You find local bakeries instead of souvenir shops. You hear real conversations instead of crowd noise. Travel is not about standing close to attractions. It is about standing close to life. That's where the memories live. 5. Eat like a local, not a tourist. The most expensive meals are often the most forgettable. Menus filled with photos. Restaurants beside famous landmarks. Staff calling out to passing tourists. These are signals, not invitations. Walk a few streets away. Watch where locals go. Look for simple menus written in the local language. Crowded tables. Fast-moving kitchens. Eat where workers eat. Where families gather after long days. Where food is made with habit, not performance. Street food tells stories. Small cafes hold traditions. Local flavors reveal culture faster than museums ever could. Food is a language. Learn to listen. 6. Use one credit card hack to save everywhere. Money disappears quietly while traveling. Foreign transaction fees add up. Poor exchange rates drain budgets. Airport currency counters take advantage of urgency. The solution is preparation. Use a travel-friendly card with no foreign transaction fees. Always choose local currency when paying. Let your bank handle the conversion. Avoid cash exchanges at airports whenever possible. Withdraw from trusted ATMs instead. This single habit can save hundreds over one trip. That money becomes extra nights. Better meals. Unplanned experiences. Smart money management creates richer journeys. The best souvenirs are never things. They are moments. 7. Plan less, discover more. Overplanning kills magic. Minute-by-minute schedules leave no room to breathe. No room to wander. No room for surprise. Leave space in your itinerary. Follow curiosity. Turn when something catches your eye. Say yes to unexpected invitations. Sit longer at places that feel right. Walk streets without destinations. Some of the best travel moments are unplanned. A sunset you didn't expect. A conversation that lasts hours. A street you turned down by accident. Travel isn't about control. It's about discovery. And discovery only happens when you let go. A traveler walks alone through a quiet street at dawn. Shops slowly open. The city stretches awake. A train disappears into the distance. A passport closes gently. This new year, don't just travel more. Travel smarter. Travel lighter. Travel deeper. The world hasn't changed. But the way you explore it can. Your next journey doesn't start at the airport. It starts with knowing the secrets. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.